Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you step by step how to edit e-commerce product page in Wix Studio. Whether you are selling clothes, gadgets or handmade craft, customizing your product page can help you to stand out and drive more sales. And don't worry, if you are new to Wix, I will guide you through every step by step process. Now, first thing first, what you have to do is just simply log into your Wix and head over to your website. And or you can just simply come to Wix Studio, and if you don't have any website, what you can do is just simply create a new website, and it will give you templates and select, and you can design it. Now after creating a website, what you have to do is just simply uh, add product over here. Now I have already created a website. What I will do, I will just simply select site, and it will take me to dashboard. Here we go, we are in the dashboard. Now click on the design side in the right side top corner and click it, and over here you will get the editor of the Wix Studio, where you can edit elements, you can customize templates, whatever you can do. You can change things over here basically. Now just give a few seconds to load this website, and we have successfully added the website. Now what you have to do is just simply click on the add section, where we are going to uh, put that product page into this section. Now click on the okay, I will just simply move section down and again to down and again one more down. So I will put products over here. So what I will do, I will just simply click uh, on the store, click on the add elements. Now you can add elements over here as well. Click on that and it will open this page. And now select the store, and now click on the add to site, and it will open the product section. There is a glitch, I think, adding a Wix store. We have, I think, give few seconds to load. So I think I have chosen a again, and maybe there will be a error because I have chosen for 2 times. Give 4 more seconds. Now scroll down a little bit, and we have successfully added our product page into the our website. Now once the store loads, you will see a default set of product. These are sample items to help you to get started. If you want to customize any of these products, you can just simply customize it. Just simply click on the manage product, and it will take you to the dashboard. And from simply you can change the product. Just simply click on the product which you want to change, and from here you can change it. For example, you can change the image, you can give a font, you can give a name, and if you want to change the pricing of the product, you can do that from as well. If you want to give options, you can add options as well. If you want to track inventory, you can track inventory from here as well. So you can basically customize it. And yeah, and if you want to hide this product from your site, what you can do is just simply turn it down or turn it off. It will hide this product. So basically you can access the product page editing, and you can change the layout of the product. Wix give you a different pre-made layouts. Clicking through them to see how they change, you can, for example, simply click on the random page over here, or random product. You can just simply you can create a category as well. And for example, let's click on the 3 dots. You can duplicate from here, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see lots of options. I mean, like, you can uh, if you go into the settings of the product, you can make lots of customization in it. So you don't need to worry about the customization, and just simply click on the cancel. And if you go into inventory, category, you will get lots of things to customize. We have 12 products. If you want to add a new category, you can add that too from here. If you want back in a stock request, you can start collecting requests as well. For example, just simply click on the start and the stock request. So it will load a little bit, and we have, you are now collecting a request. Got it. Now for example, if some product is out of stock, then it will create, for example, I will give you example. Just simply right button, and I think we have come on in the different page. Okay, the product page, where is the product page? Go to dashboard. This is a product page where you can customize things. You can change background, you can change as layout as well. For example, if you want to add a section, you can add that. If you want to change layout, you can change it, as you can see here. So it's kind of different thing, but yeah, you got, I hope you got the idea. So we have earlier activated the stock request. If you go into product, you will get to see this out of stock, but this is out of stock, but you can make a request to for the comeback of the stocks. So yeah, before you publish, make sure that just simply save over here. You can add custom text as well, but yeah, so just come over here and choose whatever you want to you know, whatever you want to customize. And if you want to add new product, you can add into this product. If you want to change the layout of this product, you can do that as well. And if you want to filter, you can do that from this filter option, and just simply go back into home page and click on the preview. So let's go to preview and see what we have filtered. So there is a, okay, I think there is an issue. There is, why this, there is page is coming back to edit, back to edit, and why the this page is making shit. Or you can just simply manage column, go back and to save preview. I don't know why this page is coming. Just remove this page by inspecting. I think I cannot inspect. So yeah, I think there is an issue with this page. I have to fix it. Let's remove this page. And if you scroll down, okay, I'm not able to see the page, but as you can see here in the bottom, you will be seeing this product. As you can see here, quick view. So yeah, let me just fix this issue and come back. So there is an issue with preview, but make sure when you try to like before you publish your store, switch to mobile view from the top menu. Wix automatically optimized for mobile as well, but it is good to double check. Make sure text doesn't get cut off, buttons are easy to tap, image resize properly, and that's it. You have now learned how to fully edit your e-commerce product page in Wix Studio, from layout to pricing to styling and effects. So that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching. If this video finds informative to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.